Makeup is about using the right tools to enhance your natural beauty. For foundation, nothing beats a good brush. It gives you control, even coverage, and a seamless finish. Brushes are more hygienic than fingers and waste less product than sponges. There are a few main types: flat paddle brushes for smooth application, dense buffing brushes for an airbrushed look, and stippling brushes for sheer natural coverage. Choose your brush based on the foundation type and finish you want. Flat or buffing brushes work best for full coverage. Stippling or fluffy brushes are great for lightweight formulas. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the unexpected brush gives the best results. Investing in a quality brush elevates your routine and lasts for years with proper care. Think of your face as a canvas and your brush as the tool that brings your look to life. The goal is natural, effortless beauty, makeup that looks like skin. A good brush is the secret to that flawless, professional finish. Enhance, don't cover up. Let your real beauty shine through. Great makeup starts with great skin prep. Always begin with a clean face. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Pat dry, don't rub, to avoid irritation. Moisturizer is essential for everyone. It hydrates and creates a smooth base for foundation. Pick a moisturizer suited to your skin type and let it absorb fully. Next, apply primer to blur pores, smooth texture, and help foundation last. Choose a primer that addresses your skin's needs: pore filling, mattifying, or color correcting. Apply a thin, even layer. When choosing foundation, match your shade to your jawline and check it in natural light. Liquid foundations are beginner-friendly and versatile. Buildable formulas let you customize coverage. The goal: skin that looks healthy, not heavily made up. Prep is the foundation of flawless makeup. With your skin prepped, it's time to apply foundation. Place a small amount on the back of your hand. This is your palette. Dip your brush lightly. Less is more. Start at the center of your face, nose, chin, forehead, where you need the most coverage. Blend outward using light strokes or circular motions, shearing out the product as you go. Assess your skin. Spot cover only where needed for a natural look. Focus on blending edges, jawline, hairline, and neck for a seamless transition. Avoid harsh lines by buffing with the brush's leftover product. Take your time. Blending is what makes makeup look professional. The result should be even, fresh, and skin-like. Good application is about enhancing, not masking. Let your confidence show through. Flawless makeup is all about the details. Apply foundation in natural daylight for the truest color and finish. Start with a small amount of product and build as needed. Thick layers look unnatural. Clean your brushes weekly to prevent breakouts and streaky application. Use gentle soap and let brushes dry flat. If your foundation looks streaky, check your brush cleanliness, skin hydration, and technique. Drugstore foundations can be just as effective as high-end ones. Mastering brush application creates a perfect canvas for the rest of your makeup. When your skin looks fresh and even, you feel more confident. Makeup isn't about hiding, it's about showing your best self. Practice, experiment, and find what works for you. The right tools and technique make all the difference. Beauty is about feeling good in your own skin.